Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Image Blender in Canva. Now, if you don't have the Pro one, there is one way to do it, and that is going to go through the apps. Simply go in through the apps here, then take this Image Blender, and as you can see here, you can see the different kind of image blending you can do. So let's just use this one. Use an existing design if you already have one. Your projects, so let's just take this one, and let's roll all the way down where I have this pirate ship loaded up. Now let's say you want to upload a picture of your kid or whatever in this pirate ship. Now we need a picture of it, so let's just go kid PNG, because we need the PNG because then there's no background. Take this guy right here, copy image, and then we post it. Now we want him to look the same way as the pirate ship, of course, so let's just flip him, like so. Alright, and then simply just press the image you want to blend, then press blend selected image. Then there's linear, which is upwards or downwards. And then there is radial. This is going to look much better. Let's just make it a bit bigger, like so. Press save. Blended image, and just now it looks like he is over here in the captain's bow. So it's really that simple. That is how you blend images in Canva. This is the only way you can do it without the Pro one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.